So I've got the first 4 containers for the project that I'm going to start using shipping containers. And these containers, these virtual containers, came courtesy of Container Home Info. For any of you guys or girls out there who want to look at this as a possible alternative to home building, or for projects that you may want to start, whether it's for as a humanitarian effort or whatever, I would strongly suggest you look at Container Home Info. They have a lot of information, technical as well as just common layman info, and they're open and sharing it. Now, in order to download the software for you PC users, there is a software that you can use to modify the containers if you have a PC. For those of us with Mac, they haven't developed one yet, and I'm not sure that they will. But I've been using the Google SketchUp to work with the containers. But like I say, if you ever think about doing this, if you just want to play with it, go to containerhome.info and download the software. But back to the containers. So these are the four containers that I'm going to use to develop the project that I'm working with. We can zoom in on this container, for instance. I've already started modifying it, and you can see in this one I've taken off the doors and put in the wall here. A wall can either be wood. This one I'm going with wood, and I'm covering it with a unique material that it's a local material. When I say local, I mean Liberia local. And that's very good for insulation, extremely good for information. Low or no cost for the material itself, and labor to put it on is readily available and cheap. On this wall, I've started indicating this wall is going to be cut out completely where the blue is. It's going to be cut out. The same thing is going to apply on the other wall, on the other container that's opposite to it. In fact, what you're looking at here is just an idea. I've set them up the way they will be connected. This container will be connected to this one. They'll become closer. But there's going to be a space in between here. And this is what the floor plan looks like. So this is going to be a container right here. This is going to be the other container right here. You can see where I showed where we're going to cut this whole section out. And the other one opposite, this whole section will be cut out. In here, where the spaces between the two containers of about 5 to 6 foot, there's going to be wood floors. And it's going to have a wall on this side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 containers with a space in between. This stairwell goes up above, and I'll talk about that later on. Not in this video, but later on as the project develops. So here you have this is the back door, kitchen with the appliances. A hallway that's going to serve, it's an open area here into the living room. A door that comes into this other 2 containers. One with a bedroom and a full bathroom. A hallway door into the second bedroom or an office. And this one's got its own private bathroom. Tub or shower, basin, toilet. This bedroom can actually be used in an office, and this bathroom will be then the general bathroom for guests and stuff coming in. I'm not going to deal with the other side of the project right now, but we're going to go back and look at it, take a in-depth look at the containers themselves. So the floor plan that you just saw a while ago, this is the back door. This is the two front containers that's going to be joined, and there can be a space in here with the hallway with the stairwell going upstairs. And then as you come down this side, this is the door going into that bathroom that I was talking about. This is the door going into the other bedroom. Let's look at this on this side. Here's the window to the bathroom. This is the window into that bedroom or the office. Sorry, I keep pointing and I realize you can't see my finger. The window to the bathroom. This is the entrance into the bedroom with its own private bath. The door into the bedroom with its own private bath. If we go and look at this one, on this side, you've got the window to that private bathroom. And let's take a flip on the other side. I haven't taken the container door off of this container yet because there's a couple of things I'm thinking about for this. If you notice, I haven't taken these doors off either. This one, I worked on a door and put a wall in place with the window, and this is the window to that bedroom that I was telling you about. So for now, this is what it looks like. The next time I come back and do a video of this, we'll be looking at more work. Then I would have had to, I hope to have had the support put in on all of these and brought them together with the floor in the middle here. So until then, this is the project. I would suggest you guys, anybody who's got time, got a little inclination, try it, test it out.